I'm not sure if O1 is capable of doing the same, because O1 is not supporting PDF files. Yeah, okay. I need to get back to the older or other versions. Value on what I was looking for is more similar to what DeepSeek is giving to me. And even I have the latest version of ChatGPT O1 paid version, I'm still not able to get the PDF analysis on this version. So clearly I put more value on the results of DeepSeek. The answer from DeepSeek is not fluffy. But there is a lot of good information also from O1. I'm not able to say which one is better, but I like the simplified, tabular, enhanced, limited space answering from DeepSeek. I just want to let you know that it is important to ask AI even your day-to-day life questions. You know that in 2025, many of the reviews and tasks that it was supposed to be done by human is being replaced by AI. And in day-to-day, these are all changing and all of them are growing very fast. In next year, even if you want to go with the career market like before, the career market is not just human being reviewing your CVs. Have you ever even asked an AI agent or an AI tool to be able to review your CV? It's very important skill to be able to get up to speed and see what are their thoughts about your CV, about your preps, about your physical fitness, about your day-to-day life schedules. Make sure you're reviewing all of these also with the AI. Sometimes it's just a lot of good hints coming to you. I have a video for you on my YouTube channel, Mateen Tech Lab, that this video is specifically for a very simple task. I have my CV, provide all the details of this CV, which part is the strength of my CV, which part is the weakness of my CV. The second part of this is you can go and check your diet, your fitness plan, like you're running, you're going to special sport, how you're doing it, and even weightlifting. So let's try to be smarter, be like more healthy, and then review all our day-to-day life habits with AI. Okay, now another analysis that I'm expecting the DeepSeek AI to provide for me. This is my CV. Please highlight what are my strengths and how can I improve this CV for a job title of software development. Add all your suggestions into a tabular format at the end to make a conclusion. So I'm just targeting how useful is this for a day-to-day task. Let's run that and see if, I'm not sure if O1 is capable of doing the same, because O1 is not supporting PDF files. Yeah, okay. I need to get back to the older or other versions. Okay. So it is started with DeepSeek to see how that CV is able to be improved. Now, like as you see, it's like 4.0 is not thinking. It's just immediately going into the answer. So for 6 seconds, there were some sort of suggestions here. Strengths and improvements for Mati Maliki's CV, which is my CVs. Improvement at metrics, quantify achievements, improved system performance by something, consolidate bullet point on the role to avoid redundancy,
technical environment is keep repeating, and use action verbs like spearheaded or optimized. Manage cross-functional teams. All of these strengths of the wording over there. So project highlight, the fuzzy logic control system, real-time dashboard, Azure SQL migration, patent involvement, startup leadership, PhD candidate, highlight most recent advanced degree first, add coursework directly relevant to the software development, like cloud architecture, which actually is correct. Expand certifications, include them. Teaching and mentorship, these are good to have. Link teaching to technical expertise. Mentored this many students to what? Volunteer robotics, shorten or move to a separate section to prioritize software development relevance. Focus on transferable skills like teamwork, problem solving, which is all valid. Formatting, clear section skills. These are all read by a PDF file. It didn't provide any other information. It just give the DeepSeek my PDF file. And now a final recommendation table. Quantify achievements, add metrics, scale database to handle 10K plus transaction per second. Streamline content, remove outdated technologies, which is valid. These are no longer valid to say as a technology to see outside in 2025, and consolidate repetitive sections, enhance readability, use consistent formatting, bullet points, white space, include concise professional summary, prioritize relevance for all of these. ATS optimization, incorporate keywords from job descriptions like agile, CI/CD, microservice, cloud native. Strengthen education, emphasize PhD candidacy, and advanced coursework in cloud and 5G. Add certifications like AWS and GCP. This is the structured suggestion. Let's take a look and compare it with 4O suggestions. Formatting, organized section, visually appealing, consistent. Formatting bullet points, objective sections, technical skills, tailored language, skill set, which I believe the generic answer that I can see from 4O is coming without reasoning. I put more value on what I was looking for is more similar to what DeepSeek is giving to me. And even I have the latest version of ChatGPT 01 paid version, I'm still not able to get the PDF analysis on this version. So clearly I put more value on the results of DeepSeek with 6 seconds of processing. Very, very good results on DeepSeek here as well. Now, it's not a bad idea to ask for type of a plan, which I can go back to 01. And this is a very normal, I am a volleyball player, or you can go with, I am a runner and I am going to run 3 times a week, and at the same time I want to go to gym for increasing my muscle mass and reduce some fat. Please give me a plan that can include a healthy diet for my sample meals during the week and is going to be nutritious enough that I am not ending up with mineral deprivation. Make sure this plan has also description for my running length and also weight lifting day to day at gym for a month. So I understand. I just try to be very concise about specific situation. You can go with your own situation, but I had a reason for this because I want to see how all of these, when you dump all of this information to your coach, they probably ended up with a lot of analysis to give you something that makes sense. And all of these should be something that you can rely on it based on the thought process. And I like the thought process of this to compare it with the thought process that is over here. So 15 seconds for both of them. Workout schedule: Monday run, Wednesday run, Friday run. And you see that the Sunday is rest, active, recovery. Very good plan for that. Upper body and then lower body and then full body strength. Focus on push, pull, split. And now it's a tabular, like I like it. Monday, Wednesday, tempo run, long, slow run, tempo run, interval. The time duration is there, intensity is there. A little bit better in terms of, let's say, conciseness on DeepSeek. Weightlifting schedule: Tuesday, upper body, lower body, core. And warm up with dynamic stretches before workout. Gradually increase weight 10% and rest. And I think both of them are suggesting Sunday as a day for recovery, which is great. Both of them are agree on this plan. So the plan is divided into multiple sections. So now it's a meal. Let's take a look at the meal together. If there is any meal plan over here, for example, Monday, oatmeal with berries, chia seed, and a tablespoon of almond butter, and 1 cup of green tea. Oatmeal with chia seed, almonds, blueberries, 2 boiled eggs, fiber, antioxidant, omega-3, and protein. So snack number 1, this is the snack, this is the lunch. Pretty much similar. 1 cup of green tea. Why? It's a fiber, antioxidant, omega-3. And then this why is a game changing. It's trying to question its own suggestions. Why probiotic, vitamin C, zinc. Why complete protein, B vitamins. Key tips to avoid deficiencies: iron, calcium, magnesium, zinc, omega-3, S, fatty fish, walnuts, flaxseed. Supplement consideration: weekly meal prep ideas, an active recovery day, progress tracking. These are all coming from both of them. To me, right to a point that I was looking for, I see the answer from DeepSeek is not fluffy. But there is a lot of good information also from O1. I'm not able to say which one is better, but I like the simplified, tabular, enhanced, limited space answering from DeepSeek, which used all the possible ways to reduce the size of the answer. And this is like a couple of pages of answer from latest O1. That's a question for a day-to-day life, for example. Let's take a look at how these two are good in one question that we don't know and we want to learn from it, and choose a programming language and see how good they are in programming languages.